Discussion on intramural ventricular septal defect after repair of conotruncal anomalies. Intramural VSD is a type of residual VSD seen after repair of complex defects like double outlet right ventricle, truncus arteriosus, or Rastelli procedure for transposition of great arteries. The intramural VSD originates between the insertion of the VSD closure patch and the aortic valve. The defect occurs because coarse trabeculae of the hypertrophied right ventricle prevents good seal at the site of patch insertion, so blood can tunnel through the trabeculae from the left ventricular outflow tract into the right ventricle through its wall. Due to the peculiar location, it is often difficult to image intramural VSDs properly, both by transthoracic and transesophageal echocardiography. High parasternal views on transthoracic and deep transgastric views on transesophageal echocardiography are often needed for delineation of the intramural VSDs. Defects can increase in size over time and more shunt can be established. These shunts may be difficult to eliminate by surgical repair and contribute to morbidity and mortality after repair of conotruncal anomalies. A study published in Circulation confirmed that intramural VSDs in addition prolong the postoperative hospital stay and need for ECMO or extracorporeal membrane oxygenator. In their series of 442 subjects, 256 had residual VSDs, of which 49 were intramural VSDs. Since these VSDs are not accessible through atriotomy or right ventriculotomy, transaortic closure has been advocated. Another study found 34 intramural VSDs in 337 patients who underwent biventricular repair of conotruncal anomalies. 19 were identified both by postoperative transthoracic and intraoperative transesophageal echocardiography. 15 were identified only by postoperative transthoracic echocardiography. Intraoperative transesophageal echocardiography had a sensitivity of 56% and specificity of 100% for identifying intramural VSD. Many of the intraoperatively detected defects could be closed fully or partially, but not all. Here are the first set of journal references on intramural VSD. One more reference is here. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and post your valuable comment below this video.